Hello friends, as we all have at least once in our life cursed the advertisements as it interrupts us. I always get frustrated and irritated whenever an ad appears in my favorite video song. Well, now we have a solution to it. There are only a few steps you must follow. Step number 1. Go to Google. Step number 2. Type Chrome extensions. Step number 3. Click it. Step number 4. Type Adblock Plus. Step number 4, you should install it. I have already installed it. Okay, after installing, you have to go to this puzzle symbol or extensions symbol and press Adblock Plus and check whether it is on or not. Now you can watch ad-free videos and ad-free music. Thank you.